Here's a quick summary of what this all means. Clinical labs in the US are regulated by CMS under the Clinical Laboratory Improvement Amendments of 1988. CLIA has long been the gold standard for regulating this area of medicine and medical science, with further regulation established by CAP and several state governments, most notably New York State. Many labs rely on life sciences industry vendors to produce FDA-approved kits for the diagnostics they run, but there have always been labs who develop and run what are called lab-developed tests, or LDTs. LDTs under specific conditions, which labs would ensure they met, have been exempted from FDA regulation. You see, the FDA was issued its oversight power in the Medical Device Amendments of 1976, which amended the Food, Drug, and Cosmetic Act to create a comprehensive system for the regulation of devices intended for human use. Back then, the FDA exempted LDTs from their oversight. As the FDA has conveyed in their new final rule, LDTs of today do not resemble those of 1976, and as such, they now require FDA oversight. The FDA has issued a phase-out policy which provides enforcement discretion guidance to the labs working to comply, but it's important to realize this does not alleviate the obligation to comply. Now, there's no need to panic. May 2025 is when the FDA has said they will start enforcing the medical device adverse reporting requirements. It's not until 2027 that the more extensive quality systems requirements, including Part 11, will begin enforcement. Now, the FDA has also said this phase-out policy is subject to change at any time. So while this is far from a crisis, our recommendation is to assess your compliance, map out your plan, and develop a full roadmap and budget in 2024.